What's up, you guys? It's your girl Imani here. I'm back for another video. So for today's video, you guys see it in the title, I am trying out my very first Fabletics haul, which is right here. I am desperately in need to go back to the gym, and I don't know about you guys, but for me, when I get really serious about the gym, I really need to get everything in order, and something that motivates me the most is when I have cute workout clothes on. So I have had a membership with Fabletics for the longest time, you guys. I just never bothered to use it, and then I got an email from them saying, I forgot what sale they had going on, but I couldn't pass it up, especially now that I've been needing new workout clothes so I can go back to the gym. I'm opening it right now, if that's what you hear. So I'm trying to see how much I paid for this stuff. I only got 2 outfits, but it doesn't show me the receipt. I really don't remember how much I paid, but it was really cheap. So I just opened the bag up, and this came with it. Welcome to Fabletics. Can y'all see that? And I got this little HelloFresh thing here, but y'all know I use every plate, so I mean, maybe I'll try HelloFresh out. I don't know, we'll see. Here are my stuff. Alright, let's get right to it. Let me try this stuff on and see how I like it, and see if it makes me look super cute and ready for the gym and hides all this other extra flab that I've developed over the course of this year. Let's go. The first of 2 outfits, not a lot. So this first outfit, this shirt, on the bottom it says, I don't give a ... and it just goes around, and it's kind of like a crop toppy kind of shirt, which y'all know I wouldn't be a fan of because the love handles is just ew. Even in the gym, guys, I don't like to show off my belly, but I paired it with these high-waisted pants. These pants are just the Fabletics brand. I meant to say that this shirt is a Demi Lovato brand, it said. But these pants are pretty cool. They're super stretchy. I want to see how these are gonna try to fall down, which a lot of my gym pants tend to do when I'm running and stuff, so we will see how that goes. But they have this little pocket here, which I love. Cut it out. Anything with pockets can stay. So yeah, I mean, I like it. The shirt is nice and flowy. It doesn't, it's not super tight around the belly area. The pants are high-waisted, and we'll see, they're falling down already just from me walking. But we'll see how that goes. But I like how stretchy they are. And I'm loving my pockets, guys. So I can do this one. Next outfit. This shirt, it says Unbroken, which I love. It is the same kind of shirt from Demi Lovato, if y'all can see that. But I don't know, I just like this shirt better, even though it's the same style. And then the pants, let's talk about the pants really quickly, you guys. Let's talk about these pants. So these pants are also from Fabletics. It looks like you got that same thing right there. There aren't any pockets, which makes me kind of sad. However, they do make up in material. This material is extremely stretchy. I felt like I can just do downward facing dog. I ain't gonna do that. But it's thicker. The high waist feels like it's gonna stay exactly where it's at. And it feels cooler. It just feels really nice. I don't know, I'm loving this a lot more than the last pants. I don't know, I'm loving this outfit, and it's just really cute together. Do you guys think? What do you think? Now, don't get me wrong. I like to look cute at the gym, okay, dress-wise, but I don't go to the gym to play. I do not go to the gym to play. It's been a while, but your girl don't play games. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Fabletics haul. Comment below if you have ever tried out Fabletics and if I should give this a try again. I mean, I'm loving the material, but I have yet to work out in them. So if you worked out in their gear, please let me know. And please tell me your experience was great, because like, I am actually loving their clothes. If you made it to the end of this video, you might as well go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, because it is free. Why not? Join the family while you're there. Make sure you hit that bell, that post notification button, so you can be notified every time I make a new video. Oh gosh, I always say that way too fast. Make sure you hit that like button if you like this video, and I will see you guys for the next one. Bye.